In this video, let us describe the different characteristics of a digital learning resource. A teaching resource is a material that is designed to help facilitate learning and knowledge acquisition. Among the many popular types of resources during the face-to-face includes PowerPoints, worksheets, interactive resources and games, display materials, tests and assessments, plans and schemes, and many more. But what about digital learning resources or DLR? DLR refers to digital resources such as applications or commonly known as apps, be it a desktop app, a web app, or a mobile app. A DLR is a software, it is a program, and it is a website that engage students in learning activities and support students' learning goals. There are three common categories of DLR, and these categories do not include the hardware or infrastructure needed to use the digital resources. First, the digital academic content tools, the digital productivity tools, and the third, the digital communication tools. Let us discuss this one by one. Digital academic content tools are software, applications, programs, or websites that offer academic content, resources, and or engage students in activities to learn academic content or skills including but not limited to language and literacy content or skills. It is categorized into three: designed learning activities, which examples are interactive tutorials, practice and assessment tools, dynamic modeling or simulation tools, or the virtual world. The second category of academic content tools is reference or the resources. And common examples to this are dictionaries, encyclopedias, ebooks, topic blogs, or topic focused websites. Another common example also are visuals and auditory topic related resources like the YouTube. The third category of digital academic content tools is language resource tool. And common example and type to this are translation tools and articulation tools. Second, the digital productivity tools. This refers to software, programs, applications, or websites that use or students use to plan, document, organize, and analyze content. And they do not contain academic content. And this is categorized into four: presentation tools, word processing tools, information analysis tools, and information organization tools. Example of presentation tools like our presentation, PowerPoint, and publication tools, word processing such as text processing, MS Word, WordStar, and some other tools. Information analysis, spreadsheets, data analysis tools, and information organization tools like story templates or concept mapping. The third one is the digital communication tools. And these are the tools that students use to communicate, collaborate, network, or present information. And they do not contain, again, academic content. It is also categorized into four: the synchronous and asynchronous text communications, reflection tools, video conferencing or meeting tools, and the project collaboration tools. On the screen, you can see examples of this type of category. And there is also a so-called integrated digital learning resources set, which means multiple individual DLRs can be combined in an integrated DLR set. And this is actually and usually licensed as a package by a specific school or institution. In a digital learning resources, there are specific embedded features. And these are features that can assist students in understanding or communicating the content or the activities provided in the digital learning resources, and this refers to the digital support features. There are also different categories of digital support features. The first one is the visual support features. This feature provides visual images or other visual supports to assist a student in understanding and communicating a concept or idea. Examples to this, links to a video or images providing a visual definition of a concept or word, and that pertains to visual definition. Another category under this feature is interactive visual features, like manipulable visual representation of a concept, like a graphing calculator feature integrated into a DLR, providing representations of concepts based upon information that a student enters. Another category of this feature is closed captioning. Text shown on the video screen provides print as well as audio that is useful for English learners still developing their ability to understand spoken language. The second feature for the support feature category is the auditory support feature. This feature provides speech or other use of sound to assist students in understanding and or communicating a concept or idea. And there are four categories in this feature. Auditory definition, example to this, allows students to click on a word to hear a definition of a word. Or the second category is text-to-speech for text selection. It reads aloud text such as a story, a direction of a lab experiment, or an instruction. The third category of the support is text-to-speech for highlighted word. This allows readers to hear an individual word or phrase. And I think you experience something like this. Record and play voice, which is the fourth category of auditory support features. It enables students to record their voice, replay it so that they can hear their own voice, or perhaps make adjustments to practice pronunciation. The second category for support feature is the translation support features. These provide embedded functions to translate from one language to another in either speech or print or either a word or limited text. And there are four categories under this feature. This is very specific to language, but this may be very helpful to us as a basis of categorizing our digital learning resource. The third support feature is collaboration support features. This refers to embedded functions that students use to communicate, collaborate, work, or share information about academic content. Two categories under this feature includes document sharing. An example, it allows multiple students to share a digital content and use annotation tools to add notes or comment. The second category of collaboration support features is collaboration based on proficiency level. Example, it allows students to collaborate with peers according to their proficiency level. When used appropriately, digital learning resources can add considerable value to the quality of our teaching and improve learners' experience. In my next presentation, I'll be presenting common types of digital learning resources. First is simulation. This resource aids teachers' explanation and allows learners to test out their ideas and experiment. Animation as a type of digital learning resource, and this can demonstrate processes which are difficult to describe or show in two dimensions. The third one is a quiz digital learning resource. This allows learners or students to test their own understanding and gain feedback promptly and immediately. And the fourth one is the electronic textbook. All learners can access a copy of the relevant resources. The fifth common type of digital learning resource is the learning object. This resource has been designed to meet specified learning outcomes and can be incorporated into and reused in a range of learning materials. Digital resources are often made up of a separate digital media, including text, video, images, and sound. And these are actually refers to building blocks, which are often used to make composite learning objectives.